Do you have stains on your favorite white tops? I'm going to show you how to go from this to this in a few simple steps. Don't throw it out, let's sort it out. And listen, this kind of staining is completely normal. We have two types of sweat glands. The one under our arms are apocrine, which means they go through a hair follicle before they reach the skin surface. The composition of the sweat, as well as what it comes into contact with, is what will cause the staining. Okay, what are we using and why are we using it? All you need here is sodium percarbonate. This beauty is also referred to as nature's bleach. Unlike chlorine-based bleaches, which are bad for our clothing and the environment, this one is oxygen-based and equally as effective. There are two divas at play here. One is hydrogen peroxide, which whitens, brightens, disinfects, and it's brilliant at stain removal, especially protein stains, which we need here for our sweat stain, and colour, which can come from any of the products used under the arm. Then we have sodium carbonate, which of course is there to stabilize the hydrogen peroxide in storage, but it also is so alkaline that it can soften the water, which always makes cleaning and stain removal easier, and it's brilliant on oil and grease stains. For this, you're going to use 1 teaspoon of sodium percarbonate. And now we need to activate the oxygen in this. A lot of people don't realize this step, so you have to use hot water. I'll boil a kettle, I leave it cool down for a few minutes because I don't like to use boiling water on clothing, and you'll see it start to bubble like this. And please make sure you wear gloves for the next step. For this, I'm going to use two stained t-shirts. One is heavily stained and one is lightly stained. It will give you an idea of timing. Always start with the t-shirt inside out. You want to drop it into the mix and gently wash it, just rubbing the fabric against itself because something like a harsh toothbrush will remove fibres. Then leave it to soak. After 1 hour of soaking, this is what the heavy stain looked like. And this is what the lighter stain looked like. So the heavy one needed to be soaked for another 3 hours. That was 4 in total till I saw a great lift. Both of them were then able to be washed with a teaspoon of sodium percarbonate. And here is the final result. They are air drying outside, ready for the sun to hit. Her UV rays are brilliant at brightening whites. So the heavy stains lifted perfectly. The lighter stains, I actually only did one armpit, so we'd be able to compare after the wash. Stunning. Enjoy bringing your favorite white tops back to life.